Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and we're going to have a series of videos on some safety tips for anybody using the internet. And so these are tips that you can actually use and abide. These are basic rules that if you follow, well, chances that you have, will be hacked or lose money or have anything go wrong is, and keep your privacy. Are going to really be helpful for pretty much everyone following the rules. First, if you go online and fill out forms for new accounts, some safety tips: try to give the minimum amount of information as possible. When you go online and you fill out forms, remember that a lot of them have little stars or asterisks next to what you have to give information, and those that don't have any asterisks or little stars next to it, well, you don't have to fill out. People have a tendency to fill every line. Well, you don't have to. The minimum information you give out, the better it is. When you do fill out a form, always think that whoever out on the internet that will actually have that information saved on their servers could be hacked. That means personal information will maybe be stolen. Do not give very sensitive information. Avoid giving, unless it's absolutely necessary, things like your birthday or your postal address or your phone number. These are all things that you don't have to give out in most cases, except really, really extreme cases, and if you do some online purchases. But the minimum is better. And if it's a website that isn't really something that you absolutely need, well, I abide by one rule, and it's to create a fake account. Very often what I'll do is I'll have a specific email that I use only for those accounts, and I'll create myself a fake profile with a name that isn't mine. And if there are a lot of sensitive data to give out, I'll give out, fake address and stuff like that. And the cases where the websites, it's like a gaming website, for example, you want to just play games online, why give out all of your personal details, honestly? And make sure that each of those, when you create an account and fill out a form, that you have a unique password that isn't the same for other accounts, so to stay as safe as possible. So abide by the rule, giving out minimum amount of information. And you know what? Before you fill out that form, ask yourself a very simple question. Do you really have to go on this website and use its services if it asks you for a lot of personal details? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.